Hello and welcome to NinjaSoft's. On today's video, we're going to look at how we can add a product and its opening stock in our NinjaSoft's cloud-based software. So first of all, we click on three lines on the top left side. Then we navigate to products and we click on add products. Then we add product name,
all the fields that have asterisk sign with it.
those fields are mandatory and you need to fill up those fields. So let me quickly fill up and I'll get back to you. So here I have added all the necessary details and we'll click on save and add opening stock.
So we will add the remaining quantity over here.
And if you have any expiry date for the product, you can enter over here. And then we click on save.
So if we want to search for the product that we have just added, we will search it in the dialog box below the add button over here.
So as you can see, here's our product. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a good day.